Okay, here goes. I'm going to catch Gab first. She's taking off. I can't even catch her. This is quite the improvement. Okay, the boys are down here. I'm going a little slow here, but Gab's not. She's zooming. Okay, I challenged Justin to a race. I said I'd give him 30 seconds head start. And then I'd come after him, and I can't even see him. There he is. I'm coming up to him. I'm going to come up to Justin by going past Gabrielle. And here comes Justin. There's a lot of slush here. Say hi. You were flying. Is it scary yet? You're going really fast today. Alright, this is where I'm headed. And Nick's over here.